This one na new model energy saver device wey be say na the combination of all the energy saver device technology wey we dey make dem. This one go power this wedding machine and save the electricity wey the wedding machine go consume. If you wan use your inverter wait, this energy saver device go help you wella wella. E go power air conditioner, freezer, electric cooker, gbogbo. Keep watching.
Good day, good morning, good evening, good night, the viewers all over the world, depending on where you are watching from and the time you see this video. All the viewers all over the world, we are introducing our new energy saver device to you, the one newly made that is suitable for all the type of appliances. This one is the new technology that combine all the fashion of energy saver that we have been manufactured in Obarawa Engineering Company before. We call this device all-in-one system. This device can work with your air conditioner, submersible pump, surface pump, refrigerator, television, sound system, electric cooker, pressing iron. Before, as you all know, the type of energy saver that we are doing for pressing iron is a special customized system for only pressing iron. But now, in this new technology, it has a selector switch where you can select the pressing iron function. If you want to use submersible pump, you press the selector switch more further. If you want to use any other appliances, so the selector switch is there and it has 3-in-1 display system that will show the load consumption, the voltage and the frequency. So this is a customer friendly device system that will meet your need. This type of energy saver is promised to deliver and meet up with your expectation. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni gbogbo àlàyé tá a ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́lẹ́ ni ó ṣe rí. Energy saver tí a ṣẹ̀gbé jáde yìí ó ṣiṣẹ́ fún onírúurú àwọn nǹkan tí ẹ bá fẹ́ lò fún. Actually, many people have been contacting us, talk to us that the energy saver products, that we should not give up on the technology, that we should improve the technology because the high rate of electricity, most especially in Africa, especially in our country here in Nigeria, the electricity bill is not friendly. You keep on flying up. And we, as engineering technology organization, the problem that people pass through in the society usually be a point of challenge to us, in which we need to think of how our device can create absolute solution into some of the problem. Actually, there are different type of problem going on in the world, but in terms of electricity sector, transportation sector, that is the area we focus about. In electricity industry, as you all know, all our viewers, we have been producing fuel-less generator. We have experimented many type of generator to generate electricity free, but the area that is successfully delivered, that is delivering the expectation, that particular device, we have launched it into market since some years ago, in which you can see on our YouTube channel and on our Facebook page, Obarawa Engineering TV, on YouTube channel, on Facebook page, Obarawa Engineering Company Limited. So, and on TikTok you can also see, since we have been posting the updates about our fuel-less generator from many parts of Nigeria, even the one we export to another countries, you can testify to it. And if you are new viewer, if you are just coming across this video, you can go through all our social media handle on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and YouTube channel to see all the work videos that we have uploaded there. You will see all of them there. So we have been tackling the insufficient energy since many years ago, but we later discovered that Even many people that cannot afford to buy our fuelless generator that have access to stable national grid, but the cost of the electricity is high, the cost of subscription is high. So our lovers all over the world share the idea with us that why can't we create something that will economize the energy consumption to the people to help them cut down their electricity bill. This is the reason why we launched this energy saver some years ago, in which we keep on improving on the energy saver. But today, the month of January 2025, so we launched the latest design about this energy saver today that is suitable to save energy in many of the appliances, because we notice that the behavior of household appliances are different. Their reaction to energy consumption are different. So that's why we decided to build the different fashion of energy saver that will meet up with the different reaction of those home appliances. But in this newly designed fashion, this fashion is friendly with all the home appliances. This is suitable for central installation, in which the main cable coming from the electric pole will pass through the energy saver before going to your house, and it's going to save energy in your home appliances. This will cut down the bill of your electricity. Keep watching as we take you through more details about this energy saver. Thanks for staying with us. Okay, now let me show you the Nero energy saver. This is 5,000 watts. It's a compact design, it's lightweight design. This is different from the previous 5,000 watts that we are doing before. So the 5,000 watts we are doing before is heavier. So in this video, we will show you the previous 5,000 watts as heavy as it is. So, but let me quickly introduce the interface to you. This is the customer-friendly display screen. So, without prolonging the matter, I will plug it to power supply. This is the power cord. You can decide if you want to do plug and play system. If it is plug and play use, you can plug this power cord to this socket and plug your load here. But if you are using from above 1000 watts, if you are using below 1000 watts, you can use this cord and plug it here and plug the load. But if you are using above 1000 watts to 5000 watts, connect the cable to this place, your input cable to this place, and connect the supply cable to your load to this place. This is the socket that can withstand the heavy load. Don't plug above 1000 watts load into the 13 amp socket. So now it's been plugged into the 220 volts power supply. Now you can see it's displayed the voltage, the amps. There is no load on it at the moment, and you can see the frequency 60 Hz. So the frequency is 60 Hz. So the selector switch, as said, there is no load on it at the moment. If you want to use pressing iron, you know, before we created pressing iron energy saver separately, a portable device. But now the function of that pressing iron energy saver is here. It's at the middle. If you switch this pin into the middle, That's when you can use it with your pressing iron perfectly. So if you want to use it with your air condition and some other load, press it here. If it is television, sound system and some other things, press it down. If you want to use heavy load, press it up. But pressing iron should be at the middle for you to be able to achieve 51% energy savings, to be able to run the pressing iron on maybe small generator system, your inverter system. Even when using it on national grid, it's going to save more energy for you. Welcome to this video. This is a testing video where we will test our newly manufactured energy saver device. This energy saver device is newly manufactured in this month of January 2025. This is all-in-one design that can work with air condition, electric cooker, pressing iron, sound system, submersible pump. This will save energy in all the appliances at home. So this particular one is for indoor installation. So if you want to, in our previous design, we customized this, we built this for only pressing iron. If you have been watching our YouTube channel, Facebook page, our TikTok, Instagram before, if you have been our follower before, you will know about these products. So we usually advise our customer before that they should buy this one to use on their pressing iron, because this one saves 50 to 51% energy consumption using pressing iron to iron clothes. But this function has been combined to this system now. So the selection is inside this switch. Putting this switch at the middle, enter pressing iron energy saver mode. The device will enter the mode of pressing iron energy saver, which means if you can afford to buy these products, the function of this is already inside this one. If you want to use air condition, you push the pin. So if you want to use some other appliances, you drag the pin to the other side. So you can see the energy consumption in this display. So basically, I will connect it to power supply. This one is not heavy like the other one that will show you in this video. So it's very lightweight. You can see as I carry it, and it's 5,000 watts. So it's designed for both plug and play system and permanent installation system. If you want to use it as plug and play, you plug this wire here and plug this to your wall socket and plug your load here. If you want to install it permanently, this is wall mount design. You can hang it on the wall. This is the input side. You will now connect. This is the input side. This is how it will be. This is how it will be. You will now connect the mains supply into this connector and connect the output here to your house, maybe to the changeover, if the 5,000 watts is sufficient to power all the load you have in your house. So now let us do a plug and play test. I plug it like this. So we have this small portable inverter here with 12 volts battery. We are going to use it to carry out our test. So now it's powered on. The voltage as displayed, you can see is steering one display system, voltage, amps, and frequency. The voltage is 202 volts. The frequency 57 hertz is between 50 to 60 hertz. So the current is 000 because there is no load on it at the moment. So basically, many of you, our customers, recognize this product, load booster for pressing iron, energy saver device for pressing iron. This device saves 51% energy on pressing iron. So if you are just watching our video for the first time, go to Obarawa Engineering TV on YouTube to see the test running video for this device, where we tested this device with pressing iron. So, you know, as you all know, if you check the price of this product on our website, you will see the price there. So the function of this has been combined with this button, this toggle switch, putting it at the center. The function of this is part of the function inside the system. So this is 5,000 watts. This is our most design 5,000 watts. You can see, as big as it is, it's very heavy to carry. It's very heavy to carry. So you can see the new 5,000 watts design is very lightweight. You can put this one inside your traveling bag. It's lightweight, it's stronger, it's not bigger in shape. So many of you know this type. This is our energy saver device made for electric cooker, pressing iron, also for heating load. This is customized for heating load alone. So the price is on our website. So the function of this particular one also has been combined inside the system. It's also inside the system. If you want to switch to the function of this, to the mode of this, so press the toggle switch down. If you want to pump your water, other things, pumping machine, air condition, press it to the up. If you want to use pressing iron, press it to the middle. So you can see this is all in one system. So the customer friendly display screen is there that will display voltage, wattage, and frequency. It's display voltage, wattage, frequency. So basically, I'm going to test it with this inverter. There is 200 amps battery here. So I'm going to carry these two down from the table to create space. So now we have introduced this one to you. Now you are aware of it. So let us plug it to this portable inverter. So I power on the inverter. You can see the output of the inverter to this device, 204 volts. See the frequency, 58 hertz. The amps is 000 because there is no load on it at the moment. So now this grinding machine is 2000 something watts. So the wattage is much, is 2500 watts. If I plug this grinding machine directly on the inverter will shut down. So this is is machine. It's in machine. So the machine consumes higher current. The machine is 2000 watts. So this machine, naturally, this inverter cannot power this machine directly. If this machine is directly plugged into the inverter will shut down. Let's try the machine directly. So let us show the current consumption on the inverter. So that's 000 because there is no load on the inverter. The machine has not been powered on, so you can see. I will remove this energy saver being plugged at the moment. This one is removed. So now I want to plug the heat gun machine. So 111 amps. It has stripped off the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker has stripped off 111 amps. So let me on it again. See, 111 amps. Let us try it again. See, 110 amps. The circuit breaker have to trip off. Is overload to the inverter. So now let's try it on capture mode. Let's try it on the energy saver. The energy saver is on. You can see the voltage. So this is the machine. I plug it. I plug it to the energy saver. Now so if I put it in pressing iron mode, it consumes 6 amps. Now it consumes 6 amps. Instead of 111 amps it was consuming before. It's getting hot at the moment. So let me increase it a little bit. So here, pushing it up, that's the maximum. That function is not for the heat gun machine. That function is for air condition and some other load. Pushing it there. This is heating load. The heating load will draw excess current. So I push it to the other side. So here it consumes 64 amps. The 64 amps consume here instead of 111 amps. The circuit breaker here is 32 amps. The circuit breaker will trip. So 64 amps. instead of 111 amps is consumed before. It saved the energy almost 50%. Almost 50%. It saved the energy almost 50% by pushing it here down. So the middle pin is the one that saves energy more. So it's a very powerful device. It's a very powerful device. So we have tested this with submersible pumping machine, electric cooker, pressing iron, cutting machines, fridge, freezers. So this device is small but mighty. So you can start placing your order now. Our company just carry out the mass production of this newly manufactured 5,000 watts. We just manufacture it. So this is us selling in our factory now. So this is our engineering company. This is an improved version, upgraded version from our factory. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for staying with us. So I want to test this grinding machine. This grinding machine is 2,500 watts. $2,500 watts. It's written here. 2,500 watts. If I plug this machine directly to the inverter will shut down. But through this energy saver, it can power it. Let's try to test it direct. Show the machine. You see, the circuit breaker trip off immediately. Immediately I press it. Let me on the inverter again. The circuit breaker trip off immediately. It's overload to the inverter. But with the help of the energy saver, it can successfully power it. This energy saver is good for business use, for factory use. The energy saver also power welding machine. This is the extension socket. This is the energy saver. And this is welding machine. This plug for the energy saver now. So the fuse inside this plug, the fuse has cut. You know, we said this previously. We said this before that anybody that want to use any load more than 1000 watts should not use this cable. So the fuse here cannot withstand the wattage of the welding machine. So we need to replace the fuse before this wire can pass current again. So as a result of that, I use another power cable. So I use another power cable to plug it. So I plug it directly to the wall socket. You can see. So if I use this one to weld again, it's going to cut the fuse in the wire.